Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, Mike Foster here. Back by popular demand. I'm doing a walk and a talk outside. Hey, there's nothing wrong with it. I mean, I still take my walks. I mean, when the weather's bad, what I do is I take a walk inside my house. And, you know, I don't want to look crazy filming inside. So guess what? I'm filming outside my house. This is my house. This is my yard back here. Believe it or not. So today I'm going to talk about karma. Or also what goes around comes around. And most religions talk about karma, especially in the Buddhist religions. When they talk about the different levels of karma, the past, the present, and the future karma. And basically what karma is accountability on your actions. Say you've been a great person and have done wonderful things and have been kind, not measured by monetary success, but measured by how you treat others. Being forgiving, being loved, and being loving, caring. That's good karma. Not saying evil things about people, negative. That's good karma. And if you believe in karma, what goes around comes around. That will come back to you in many forms, which is a good thing. It's getting windy here. I'm trying to hide from the wind so you can hear me good. But the converse of that is what? Negative karma, negative energy, bad karma. You know, there's some people out there that just wield their negativity on others. And it's a horrible, horrible thing. I don't put up with negative energy, nor does my wife. So we spend a lot of time just with ourselves, because if we encounter others that take pleasure in negativity, even if we consider them at one time a friend or a family member, we don't put up with it. Negative energy brings negative energy inside you, which equals what? Bad karma. And the Buddhists and many other religions believe that bad karma doesn't just hang around for a few months, a few years, or even a lifetime. Bad karma will follow you, follow your energy to, well, whatever happens after. May it be reincarnation, if you believe in that. No one knows. May it just be the energy that you leave on someone from your behavior in the past to your current behavior, threatening to affect your future behavior. It's simple. What goes around comes around. Treat people like you wish to be treated. Bad karma, negative energy, no good. Good karma, positive energy and attitude, good. So think about that. When you're in a snit, when you're being negative, when you're not being the person you know you can be deep inside, spread the good karma, the good energy. And guess what? It'll pay you back tenfold. Trust me. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. Till next time, peace and positive energy.
Live life 365.